This is talking about tsunamis. They can happen in this area. We just hope one doesn't happen today, but I think we'll be safe. Hi everyone, we are at Rialto Beach in Olympic National Park. So in Washington, welcome to Tigner Adventures. This is our new adventure today. We're checking out this beach. The beach is just right behind us. We're gonna kind of walk down there and kind of look around. There's a couple different hikes that we can do, so we're gonna see which way we go when we get there. So anyway, it should be fun.
Watch out for vampires around here.
Oh yeah, we are in
Washington.
Forks, Washington.
The heart of vampires.
So if any of you are Twilight
fans,
this is where the movie was filmed. So anyway, so let's go find out what the beach looks like. This is talking about tsunamis. They can happen in this area. We just hope one doesn't happen today, but I think we'll be safe. We are at the ocean.
Look at these
Look at all this.
rocks.
Yeah, look at this. All this driftwood.
Hey.
Wow. Oh, and then the beach just appears, and there's people out there. It's always good to make a note of where the trail comes out on the beach at, so we can find our way back. This guy, he's caught him a fish. He's pretty excited about it. Big smile. Little fish. We are currently at low tide. We are headed out to this little area over there. Ninette,
What?
run into the water. I want to see how cold it is.
No! It's treacherous. Did you hear that?
Oh.
Treacherous.
Oh, treacherous. Well, your life insurance is up to date.
Yeah. I'm not easy to replace.
That's true. Not easy to replace. That's what you need to get tattooed on you. This is X marked the spot. Doesn't look like anybody put it there, but we're thinking they did, but maybe the ocean put it there. What is under the X? There comes the pelicans. It's always interesting how some waves come way up and others don't. All kinds of cool seaweed along the beach here. You always think everything's close until you start walking. Too bad we didn't get our bikes out and ride along the beach. Look at all these rocks, all the moss growing on these rocks. Well, this is a little harder to walk through over here. We got to go over all these rocks. But once we get past here, we can see a few caves over there. We'll go check out. Looking bigger and bigger. I'm going to try to work our way around to the right here. If we don't get off here soon enough, Ninette says we'll have to climb this and sit up there on top until tomorrow or until next low tide. Look at this tide pool here. We got purple starfish. We go over that way a little bit. There's some other starfish.
Green anemone.
Green anemone down there in the bottom in the water. Look at all that algae buildup over there. Pretty cool. I've come to the end of the trail. Tide's in too far here. We can see one of the little caverns right there. So just little indents in the rock, but the tide is up too high right now. So I don't think we can get over to that side over there. So we are 4 hours to high tide. So this isn't the best time to be looking for tide pools, but we can see a few things, which makes the trip worth it. Well, we're coming around the other side. See what's over here, if there happens to be a tide pool or not. Well, we can't see a lot, and there's a lot of seaweed here. Well, I'll tell you, this stuff that's on the rocks is really slick. Gotta be really careful moving around. Right straight down that you're pointing at.
A crab? No, that's
Yeah. See the big one right there by the big rock right here? See him walking up here?
Yeah.
Oh, there's actually
It's
a couple
not
of them.
crabs. Those are those little hermit. I guess it's a crab, hermit crab.
This is like when you're scuba diving, you just have to sit in one spot and just stare, and then pretty soon
Oh, look at them chase
the
each other.
floor comes alive. So now you can see there's a bunch of them out there. So there's actually quite a few crabs in this little hole.
That they would tickle.
Look at that little hermit crab right there. Over here, bud. Oh, he's pushing something else around. But look at this hermit crab. Oh, he just grabbed that seaweed.
Yeah.
Pulling around on that. Whoa, here comes lots of water. Whoa! Oh, that made a mess. Now we can't see nothing. Look at this cool piece of driftwood. And all these other pieces of driftwood. Look at over there. As we go back towards our car, fog is coming in pretty heavy over there. We have made it down through all that rock and driftwood, and we are back on the beach. At least the part of the beach that's still not underwater. Just working our way back over those trees. That's where we parked. But if you look back over those rocks that we went over to, it's all underwater now. That's how the tide works. It's coming in. Look at this driftwood condo somebody built. Wow. Pretty cool. Pretty good size. Yeah. All the way up into there. Not sure about how you keep the rain out. Look how smooth these rocks are. It's been hammered and hammered over and over, rubbing all over each other, and some small baby ones and bigger ones. How about this little condo? Not quite as big as the last one. Cool little fort. Some pretty big trees that have been washed up here on the shore. There is a lot of driftwood along here. This is our camping spot just outside of Forks, Washington that we found on Campinium. Really nice little area to stay for a few nights. Well, we have finished the day. Tansy's been sitting out here all happy. It actually started off raining this morning, so I'm kind of surprised that it actually got pretty sun. Yeah, we're actually getting solar production right now, so that's always good. So anyway, that was the Olympic National Park, and that's all we're going to actually see this go around of the park.
Yeah, this was our second try to go see the rainforest at Olympia?
Uh-huh.
Olympia, yeah.
It's the H-O-H, so Ho, H-O-H?
H-U-H, I think.
No, H-O-H.
Okay.
Rainforest.
Anyway, we tried years ago and didn't. This time we got almost there, 12 miles out of the 18, and then it was full. So
yeah,
it was an hour and a half, 2-hour wait to get into the parking lot. So we let's go to the beach.
They said if you want to do that, then you really need to be there by 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning at the latest, or go there 5 or 6 o'clock at night. Those are your options. So right now it's just way too busy. So anyway, we had fun at the beach. So we really like that. And,
until the end.
yeah. Ninette got hurt.
I was a little too young, and I was jumping on these big rocks and almost fell. So I hurt my leg. So I made a little bit of pain.
So I've been guiding canyons forever. She's been helping. We always tell everybody no jumping.
Well,
This
we
is
had to
20-year-olds.
go from rock to rock.
This is 20-year-olds, you know, no jumping.
This was just a little more.
She's 62. It's really no jumping when you're 62. So anyway, she's going to be paying the price for this for a little while. Hopefully not too long, but at least right now. So anyway, I guess that ends today. So thanks for coming along with us. We had a lot of fun out there on the beach, and it's always fun to look in those little holes. Tide pools. Look in the little tide pools and find all those little cool little animals and everything. So that's always fun. We'll be doing some more of that while we're hanging out in Washington. We'll be in this area for about a month. So it'll be a lot of fun. So between Washington and Oregon, so it'll be good. So thanks for coming along. Hope to see you down the road somewhere. And if not, then we'll just see you on our next video. So take care.
Bye.